The earth bows low, the skies they weep, a call to hearts from the deep. O traveler, where do you roam? La ilaha illallah, a beacon bright near and far. Guide my soul, heal my scars. Stars they whisper secrets old, the stories of the prophets told. The fire of truth, it never fades. La ilaha illallah, through the storm, through the war. Anchor me, keep me sure. Each step a prayer, each breath a gift. Mountains crumble, hearts will lift. The path of light, it calls my name. La ilaha illallah, every tear, every star, closer still, not afar.